Hi everyone, hope you are well. So today I am going to show you how to do a workaround to avoid closing all Excel files. This is a video for a Reddit user. So he's saying that when he try to close one file, all of his Excel files are closed. So I have thought of a workaround. Hello everyone, my name is Hao Zong. I'm here to help you to use office work tools such as Excel and Power Automate. If you think my videos are helpful, please help me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. What I do is I have opened up two Excel files here. So he's saying that if he close this Excel file, both of the files will be closed. So if you are having this problem, please have a look at this video. So in order to do this, first I go to File, then I go to Options, then I go to Customize Ribbon, right? And then over here, in the Choose Commands, I select all commands, right? Then if I scroll down, right, I can see there are three tabs of close. So what you do is just add all these close into your home tab. So I have done one. So I'm going to show again. So first you need to create new group. So you click on home, click on new group. Then you rename this to close. Because I have the close already, so I just name it close to. Then what you do is you click on the close here and click on add, and then the close will be under this close to group. So yeah, just put in everything, right? And you click on OK. So now you have three types of close button here. So I think the first two close is doing the same thing, which is just a close one, the current active window. So I'm going to demo. So I'm going to open this book tree. So if I close just one file, maybe I just pick the first one. Then it will ask me whether I want to save. I click on don't save. My first file is still open, right? If I create a new file, then I click on close all, right? It's asking me whether to save the new file. So I say don't save. Next, it will ask me whether to close the next file. So I say cancel. So hopefully this video will be able to help someone out there with the problem of when they close, they will close all the Excel window. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give this video a like, and please remember to subscribe. Cheers.